The airport was not designed for what it became. It was small, regional, quiet. On March the 27th, 1977, two fully loaded Boeing 747s found themselves on the same runway in fog, with radios transmitting but not always heard. This is the story of the Tenerife airport disaster and how capacity, timing, and language aligned in the worst possible way.
Noctra.
Earlier that day, a bomb exploded at Gran Canaria Airport. Authorities closed the field. Inbound aircraft were diverted. Los Rodeos, now Tenerife North, received planes it was never meant to handle. Parking areas filled. Taxiways became crowded. Large aircraft waited with nowhere to go. KLM Flight 4805, Pan Am Flight 1736. Both were Boeing 747s. Both carried passengers delayed for hours. Both crews were experienced. Neither planned to be here, and both needed to depart as soon as Gran Canaria reopened. As the afternoon progressed, fog moved across the airport. Visibility dropped without warning. Controllers could no longer see the runway. Pilots could not see each other. The airport had no ground radar. Everything depended on voice. Aircraft began to reposition. Pan Am was instructed to taxi down the runway and exit at a later intersection. KLM followed behind. The instructions were complex. The exits were poorly marked. The fog erased reference points. The KLM captain was concerned about duty time limit. Delays threatened the schedule. Fuel had been added earlier, increasing takeoff weight. The crew prepared for departure while still on the runway. The situation felt urgent, but it was not clarified. KLM requested takeoff clearance. The controller responded with route instructions, not clearance. The words overlapped. Radio transmissions blocked each other. KLM believed they were cleared to depart. Pan Am was still on the runway. KLM began its takeoff. Acceleration was normal. Pan Am saw landing lights emerge from the fog. They attempted to turn off the runway. There was not enough time. The aircraft collided at high speed. 583 people died. The airport fell silent. Rescue efforts were complicated by fog and fire. Survivors were few. The scale of the loss was immediately clear. The Tenerife disaster was not caused by a single error. It was caused by congestion, by ambiguity, by assumptions that were not challenged. Aviation changed afterward. Standardized phraseology, crew resource management, clearance discipline. The runway at Los Rodeos was renamed, but the lesson remained. When communication carries aircraft, clarity is not optional. To explore more mysteries like this, subscribe and join us on the next journey into the unknown.